Unang-una, when you see the top two leaders of the country not really united anymore, tapos yung ating both houses of Congress, hindi rin magkasundo, nagbabangayan, that doesn't really give a good signal for potential investors. So,
So, balikan ko lang yung kay SPG. So, naniniwala kayo na part ito ng demolition job at malicious yung article na lumabas sa kanya? At kung naniniwala kayo na demolition job, sa tingin nyo, stable naman yung kanyang leadership dito sa Senate?
well, kasi parang tuloy-tuloy and the past few weeks, no? It started, and nung una si former President Mig Zubiri, di ba, kung nyo maalala, bago siya napalitan, may mga ganon ding PR job against him. Tapos nung napalitan na si SP Cheese, dahil kasi may mga issues kay Senate President Mig Zubiri, na bukol-bukol nun. Ngayon, si SP Cheese naman. But I'm hoping that they would understand that the Senate is a different character. Talagang ito yung last bastion, hindi naman pwedeng pag iningi sa atin, dire-diretso talagang nag-aaral tayo dito. Karamihan nga, may experience, yung masaba committee, pag dumaan, talagang hinihimay natin talaga dito. So, we may be slower, but at least mas nare-refine natin, no, yung mga batas na dumadaan kung sakali. So, ano lang to, siguro, sana matigil na talaga yung nakaka-frustrate na rin minsan because of all of these bickerings, political conflicts. It doesn't help, no? Kasi talagang marami-rami tayong hahabulin. Yung paulit-ulit ko sinasabi. Sayang yung naging momentum na napaagay-away. Wala pang 2 years, nag-away na yung both camps, unit team na wala na. Tapos ngayon naman, both houses of Congress nagbabatuhan. It doesn't give a good signal abroad for potential investors, lalo na foreign direct investors, which we have been trying to lure. Sinasabi natin, Philippines is already open, no? Ilang beses sinabi yan a few years ago. Tapos makikita natin yung ganito ang sitwasyon. So it doesn't help, and I really envy. Naiinggit talaga ako, sa totoo lang, sa mga ASEAN neighbors natin, Malaysia, Singapore, of course, nagdasama Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, which and now Vietnam, no, na nag-invest sila heavily in infrastructure, energy, lahat na. Tapos, they seem to be doing the right things, no? Tapos yung policies nila, consistent, di ba? Of course, all of these things does not help, no? Yung ating pong paglalayo na magkaroon tayong potential investors. So, malayo pa yung naghahabol tayo. I think ngayon, mas malayo pa yung habol natin. I think the administration, halfway na. We lost 3 years. We need to triple time, no? In a lot of things, especially infrastructure, energy, and others na talagang tinitignan din ng investors and policies. Kailangan talaga maging tayo consistent.
So sir, ang info nyo rin from the House yung nasa likod ng demolition job kay SP Cheese, and it has something to do with the impeachment?
Nagsimula, hindi lang kay SP Cheese, sinasabi ko nga sa inyo, pati nga yung kay SP Migs noon. Nagsimula sa People's Initiative yan, parang nagtuloy-tuloy na yung bangayan ng House no, at ng Senado, hindi na natapos, no. Ang nakakalungkot dito, yung parliamentary courtesy na wala na, kasi magpe-press con sila doon, no, tas aatakihin ng Senado, which is very unparliamentary. Paano tayo magtutulungan kung ganun po ang kanila pong actuation?
So anong tingin niyo dapat gawin para ma-address yun, matigil itong political bickerings, bangayan ng dalawang kapulungan?
Tignan na lang po nila yung what is really happening. Huwag na natin tignan yung ASEAN nation. Vietnam na lang, tignan natin. They seem to be doing the right things, not only investing in pero yung policies nila, and siguro yung political stability. When you see, when you see the top two leaders of the country not really united anymore, tapos yung ating both houses of Congress, hindi rin magkasundo, nagbabangayan, that doesn't really give a good signal for potential investors. So, ito mano na lang tayo. Tignan na natin, Vietnam, iwan na tayo in terms of foreign direct investments. Parang wala pa tayo sa kalahati kasi nga, hindi lang yung kanilang ininvest, pati yung kanilang political stability, importante rin.